Hi traders, and welcome to today's video. Are Forex trading signals worth it? So in today's video we're going to cover the following topics, and they are the different types of Forex trading signals, risk and forward testing. Now this video is short and to the point, so stay with me to the end as I encourage you to listen to what I have to say about risk and forward testing when using Forex trading signals. Introducing myself, my name is Duncan Cooper. I'm a full-time trader and the Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities. Okay, let's get into the first topic. Now, if you're a new trader who hasn't yet found profitability, you may be considering using Forex trading signals. So what type of trading signals are there? Trading signals fall into two categories. The first is free trading signals that come from a copy service. Trades are automatically copied and taken in your trading account. And a popular copy service is, as an example, ZuluTrade.com. Now, I'm not recommending ZuluTrade.com as a service to use, but this is an example of a free copy service that traders will explore and investigate. The second category is paid trading signals, usually monthly or annual subscription service. The trading signals are received by email, video or social media app, and you review the trading signals before deciding to trade them or not, so you have added flexibility. Now, there's an underlying risk that is associated with both free and paid trading signals, and that is you could lose money. Do your homework. Does the signal provider have a high level of knowledge and trading experience, or a profitable track record that can be verified over 6 to 12 or 24 months? If the answer is no to any one of these questions, you run a very high risk of losing money when trading with their trading signals. If you're going to consider using free or paid trading signals, I recommend that you forward test the trading signals in a demo account over 20, 40 and 60 trades. The greater sample size the better. Always request a free trial of a paid service so that you can forward test in a demo account. If a provider won't give you a free trial, the trading signals are probably no good. When you've proved that the trading signals return a profit over a series of trades, then and only then should you trade the signals in your live account. Now, there are some good signal providers out there, but make sure you do your homework. Always forward test the trading signals before putting your hard-earned money at risk. And my final thoughts: using trading signals can have positive benefits. If the signals are good, you can create trading profits and also learn how to trade from using the trading signals. But on the negative side, if the signals are poor, you will simply lose money, and that is no benefit to you. Now, if you would like to avoid the pitfalls of using trading signals, why not join me in my free beginner webinar series and improve your trading? You can register by using the link in the description below. Okay traders, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.